Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to secure an online fidelity bond. Start by deciding your coverage limit and gathering company details, employee lists, and any prior loss information. Next, get quotes from multiple insurers and compare exclusions, waiting periods, and premium costs. Use clear screenshots and notes to keep track of differences. Finally, choose the policy that balances price and protection and prepare to submit your application online. When getting quotes, use insurer online tools to speed the process and get reliable premium estimates. Enter consistent information across applications so the quotes are comparable and you can spot real differences. Check for discounts like prior loss-free credits or bundled policy pricing. Save screenshots of each quote and note the effective dates, exclusions, and deductible details. This organized approach helps you pick the best coverage without surprises. Complete the online application carefully and honestly to prevent claims from being denied later. Upload required documents such as business license, payroll summaries, and any ID verification promptly. Review the policy declarations, coverage limits, exclusions, and payment terms before you sign. If anything is unclear, contact the insurer for clarification. After submitting, watch for confirmation emails and save your policy documents in a secure folder for easy access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.